Hi everyone, with me today I have one of these suitcases from the 5-piece luggage set from Amazon. I'm going to be doing a durability test because some airlines just don't care about your luggage and we want to make sure that you're buying some that are really durable. So I'm going to be throwing this down the stairs, roughing it up, and seeing how it holds up. So let's see some test shots. Notice that at first it's pretty new and there's no scratches or dents. Who needs a drop test when you have a staircase and a determined husband? And here we go again. And let's step on it and see if it's really good. And let's do it again. Here's the suitcase after the drop test. I went ahead and dropped it off the staircase and also the balcony I have where I live. I really wanted to see how much could this withstand. There's definitely a little bit of scratching on certain points, but otherwise the suitcase is perfectly intact. The wheels all still work. None of them broke or popped off at all. This suitcase is truly amazing. It is sturdy and durable, and I definitely recommend you guys to get the entire set, whether you like this color or the other one I have on my other videos. They are incredible and they're gonna withstand all those different airports you're gonna visit. Check it out.